If you just watched one of those Claude dropshipping videos, then you're halfway there. You've got the store, you've got the product, and you maybe even have the supplier locked in. But nobody told you in those videos how to actually get customers to buy your product. And that's exactly what this video is for.
Okay, so my ponytail literally got thinner every single month and I was too embarrassed to talk about it. I tried everything on my shelf. 8 weeks in, my hair fall is genuinely down. My scalp doesn't feel gross after. Links in the bio, just try it.
That video you just watched was made in 4 minutes utilizing AI. No creator, no camera, and no editing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make videos exactly like that utilizing AI. And this will work with any product you're selling. And I'm going to show you the exact process step by step. So here's a gap that nobody's telling you about. Claude is incredible, especially for building the store side of your dropshipping brand. Product research, store copy, and supplier outreach, it handles it all. But once your store is live, you need traffic coming to your store. And in 2026, that means video ads, specifically UGC-style videos. Like, for example, somebody talking about your product, showcasing how the product works, and essentially selling that product to the viewer, but without trying to seem too salesy at the same time. And these days, hiring a UGC creator can cost you up to $150 to $350 per video. And not to mention, in some cases, waiting up to 2 weeks for the video to be done, dealing with the influencer day by day, they did something wrong, they have to make that change. And it's just an ongoing process that can be done in literally 4 minutes utilizing AI. This is the solution to all your problems, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it right now. Okay, so here we are on Creatify, and we're currently on the homepage. And if we scroll down here, you can see there's 3 different options. Ad flow, so build ads on one visual canvas. Avatar video, create talking videos with AI actors. AI media buyer, your co-pilot across every ad platform. So these are the 3 options you have here straight away off the bat. The one I'm going to use is AdFlow because we're going to be making videos around one single product. But before we do go ahead and get all that done, I want to go over the entire platform here. So as you can see here, it says more ways to create asset generator, video ad. So you can essentially make different assets, whether it's for your website, for your ads, maybe you want a static ad and things like that. You're able to do that here. Analyze and launch, see what ads they're running, launch ads. Then you can also see here, Parents Day, so some type of event that's happening, show your app. You can also make videos about your app, like if you're trying to sell or promote an app, show your product, chasing product. Okay, that's kind of funny. Holding signs. So a lot of variations of different types of ad creatives you can make for whatever product or service you're trying to sell. Viral message threads, best for services, billboards, angry people. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So they give you all these templates, as you can see, and these are very realistic. Like, you could barely tell the difference. Like, check this one out right here.
If you don't have artisanal chips for watching the match yet, that's a real shame. Clean ingredients, totally guilt-free. Maple meets smoky chipotle crunch.
And let's say you wanted to recreate this ad, you can just simply click recreate this ad. It's pretty awesome. So here is the product that we're going to be making videos around. So as you can see, the entire website is already ready to go, and we're going to be making content around this product. So now all you gotta do is save this link because we're going to add it into Creatify so it understands what product we're selling. So now that you've seen all of that and you kind of have an understanding of what this is all about, let's get started and make our first creative for the product. So we're going to click Add Flow right here. And it's going to say, what do you want to create? So now all you're going to do here on Creatify is you're going to let it know the product you're selling. So we're going to click plus product. So then we're just going to add the link in. So we're just going to copy and paste that, analyze URL, and it's basically going to take all the information from this website and then to give it an idea of what types of ads to make. Okay, so here's what we got here now. So we have the product name, category, beauty, personal care, okay? And then the description of what the product's all about. So what it does is it goes through the entire website and it gets all the information here. Then we also have all the assets we used on the website, and they've added to this section right here. Now, if there's any selling points you want to add, you can simply add those selling points into this section here. So now all I'm going to do simply now is just click create product. So what's so unique and cool about this is you're just going to give a basic prompt and it's going to create that video for you. So as you can see, there's a couple presets here. So you can say like create a 30-second UGC ad for your website. So I'll just click that. So as you can see here, it says create a 30-second UGC ad for your website. So I'm just going to put my website here. For my product, Glide Glow, the problem my product solves is hair loss. Okay, keep it super casual and relatable. Okay, so all we're gonna do now is just send out that prompt. And now we're just gonna wait. It says AI is building, canvas editing paused, and we're just gonna wait here. As you can see, it's loading all the information, playing it all out. So what I really like about this is before you go ahead and actually generate the video, there's a bunch of brainstorming going into it. So it's a perfect video. So there's no problems when you actually get the video created. So as you can see, angle, format, budget check, all this information's here. So now as you can see here, here is the video plan it gave me. A relatable woman casually confesses her hair thinning frustration to the camera, then reveals Glide Glow as the low effort daily fix that actually worked. No drama, no before and after, just a real person being honest. So as you can see, the presenter, she opens completely casually, like venting to a friend. Okay, cool. So this is awesome. Then it says product reveal, the roll on, so actually shows the product, and then real talk. Okay, so all I'm going to do here is click confirm and build, and it's going to actually make that video for me. But let's say you want to make some changes to it. You can simply just write any changes you want, and it'll make that change for you. So let's just click confirm and build. Just give it a second. Okay, so as you can see here, what we got here right now is a UGC creator, Stephanie, that's going to actually showcase the product. And this is the product. So as you can see here, we have the influencer, we have the product, and then it's making these scenes here. So if we click here, you can see there's a bunch of scenes that were made, and then also adding music in the background, and then it's going to create us the video. So now all you have to do is click generate. And then we're just going to use the credits, so just allow. And now it's generating this video for us. So this should just take a second. Once it's done, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. So we have everything all put together and we got this video right here. Okay, so here's the video. So let's just check it out. I'm going to full screen this so you can see exactly what it looks like. So look how realistic this actually looks. Let's just play it and see what it's all about.
Okay, so my ponytail literally got thinner every single month and I was too embarrassed to talk about it. I tried everything on my shelf, nothing.
Then I found Glide Glow. It's a clinical serum with a mess-free roll-on. You literally just roll it on your scalp and go.
8 weeks in, my hair fall is genuinely down. My scalp doesn't feel gross after. Links in the bio, just try it.
That is absolutely insane. Like, of course, needs a little bit of work, need a little bit of editing, but that is absolutely insane. Like, especially the ending there. Like, check out how crazy that looks when she has the product in her hand. Let's go back here and check that out again. Like, this is crazy. Look at this.
8 weeks in, my hair fall is...
I made this product image with AI, and now it's funny to see the AI holding the product in the video. It's absolutely insane.
Down. My scalp doesn't feel gross after. Links in the bio.
Wow, like that looks so realistic. So now all you do is download this video and you can simply run it as an ad. You can do organic, you can do paid, whatever you want. If there's any changes you want to make, you can literally just make the changes to the video. So that's the complete one-person dropshipping brand setup that, to be honest, nobody's talking about right now. Claude for product research, Claude for store copy and supplier emails, and Creatify for your ads. Test multiple different types of videos, and based on the data, you'll know which creative is your winning creative. No team, no creators, no studio. Just a simple AI tool that's going to get you the best possible creative. And to be honest, a lot of e-com brands are getting on this right now. People are starting to figure it out. And if you want the advantage, you have to take action. So I left a link in the description to Creatify. Go sign up with Creatify today. Go make your first couple of videos and see the exact value that I just showed you in this video. So that's everything for today. I hope you did enjoy this video and you got a lot of value out of it. If there's any other types of videos you want to see in the future, do go ahead and comment in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.